Hello everyone, welcome back to Benny's Kitchen. Today we are making coconut oil. On my table you can see I have coconut which I'm going to be making my oil with. But you know I like coconut. Coconut, everything is edible. After getting your coconut oil, the shaft is edible. You can eat it. You can get your coconut milk from here. If you are lactose intolerant, you take your coconut milk. So guys, let's start preparing our coconut milk. If you have a hammer, you can use your hammer to break your coconut. If you have a hard surface, you can hit it on the hard surface. So now I'm going to heat mine on my kitchen floor. When you hear a bang, you know I have broken this coconut. So guys, listen. So guys, you heard that bang? My coconut is broken. So I'll take out the water. See the water here? The water is so sweet. Then back in the days, they said if you drink coconut water, you won't be intelligent. I don't know how true that is because me, I'm going to drink this coconut water now. So yummy. So after breaking the coconut, you find a way to take it out of this shell. So see what the coconut looks like inside. I've broken it. So I'll find a way now to just take it out of the shell. Then cut into smaller bits because I'm going to use my blender to blend. I still have to heat it on a hard surface so I can pieces it and then bring it out from the shell. I've cut it into smaller pieces, so I'm bringing them out of the shell. Now I don't know if can you see what I'm doing? So I'll take them out from the shell. I'm going to do that to all the 5 coconuts that I have. I mean, this one is not easy, but I have to do it. Don't use a knife that is too sharp so you don't injure yourself. Most times why I like to do my coconut is because I know it is real. I know it is not adulterated. There's no preservative. It is real. There was once I bought coconut oil in the market and I almost set my house ablaze because I don't know what they mix the coconut oil with, you know. So from that day I stopped buying coconut oil in the market because most times I drink it. So if I'm drinking it, I have to know what I'm drinking. You can also use coconut oil for your tea. Add it in your coffee. It's so yummy. I'll just bring them out like this, wash and cut them into bits. That's what I'm going to do now. What I'll be doing, I'll get my chopping board and then cut them like this so my blender can blend it very well. So this is what I'm going to do with the remaining coconuts. After cutting like this, you wash very well to take out sand. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm done with this and I'll continue till I'm done with the rest 4. My people, you see what I have here? These are the 5 coconuts I broke and I've cut into smaller chunks. So I'll add some into my blender now, then add enough water to blend. We blend in bits. Then get your cheesecloth, which is this, or your sieve. After blending, I'll pour it in here. So the liquid I want will drain out and I'll take out the shaft. Make sure you have a strong blender when you want to do this. Guys, you can see this is the coconut water coming out. This is the coconut water that's coming out, and this coconut water can be your milk. If you don't take normal milk, this is the milk you can take for your tea, for your smoothies, and for your coconut rice. This is it. So I'll continue blending till I'm done. So guys, I'm done with the blending. This is the last batch that I blended. So I'll now squeeze out the milk to separate it from the shaft. I'll just squeeze all the milk out. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use your sieve. Just keep pressing and pressing until all the milk is out. So guys, this is what we have here. This is coconut shaft, this is the coconut milk. This shaft can be used for your cookies, fufu, swallow, by adding your xanthan gum or xylem ox. This is what the shaft is used for. You don't have to throw it away. This is the milk. You can take your milk from here, you can get your oil from here. So what I'm going to do now, I will now pour in the coconut milk into this transparent bowl. Allow it to rest for 5 hours so the milk can separate from the water. I'll just leave it here like this, allow it to rest, then I come back to get our coconut oil. So guys, I'll see you later. Hey guys, this is after 5 hours, and see what we have in the bucket. You see the water is at the bottom while the milk is at the top. So now I'll try and scoop out all the milk and put in my pan. Then I'll take it to the fire to heat up, then the oil will start coming out. Allow that water at the bottom to enter there. You can even keep it in the fridge or freezer, let it solidify. You just use a knife to pierce it and pour out all the water, then take the remaining milk. My people, this is the coconut milk. The heat is on now. I'll allow it to start cooking until it starts drying and we start seeing our oil coming out. Then you know you have gotten your coconut oil. I don't know how long it's going to use to cook, but let it just keep cooking and I'll show you later. Guys, you can see what we are having here. If you look carefully, you can see some oil popping out. See, some oils are already popping up. So I'll keep it on the fire like this until it is dried up. I can't say how long this will take, but when the oil starts coming out, you know you are already there. I can see some tiny coconut oil is coming out already. This has to dry very well, and then you see the coconut oil carefully. So I'll leave it on the fire again to keep boiling. Hey guys, see my coconut oil. If I tell you, the aroma in my kitchen, everywhere is coconut. I love this coconut oil. I love using coconut oil to cook. I love it for my hair, and I love to drink coconut oil. And I know the source it's coming from. See what we have from 5 coconuts, small 5 coconuts. See what we have here. So now I'll just drain it because it's already burning. I want it to be white, so I'll just drain it and take this little coconut oil I have from here. Guys, if you have followed me to this moment to see how I'm doing this my coconut oil, please hit the subscribe button, keep liking and keep sharing, give the video a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you'll be first to know when I upload a new video. Guys, see coconut oil now. I'm so happy. You might say it's not much, but you know what this means to me. I tell you, I'm so happy, so happy. So I'll turn up the heat now and pour it in my sieve and let my coconut oil drain out for me. So I'll just pour it here and let it drain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, I like the aroma of this coconut oil. Wow. I love it. I love it in my cup of coffee. See my coconut oil, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See my coconut oil, so clear. So this is about my coconut oil. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching me and bye bye.